Here at Malloy, we often get asked on how to back up the parameter files from the drive to the keypad. We will show you that along with how to restore the parameters back from the keypad onto the drive. Keep in mind that this is also the same process for the ACS 580 as well as the ACS 380 using the Assistant Control Panel. To get started, we're going to go to Menu, and then we're going to scroll down to Backups. The first option is to create a new backup, which is exactly what we're going to do. So that's pulling the parameters from the drive and putting them onto the keypad. So let's hit Select. Since there's already two backup files on this keypad, we're going to have to choose which one we want to overwrite. The keypad can only store up to 2 backups. This process can take up to a minute and can be performed while the drive is either running or at a stop. Once you have the parameter file saved, you can then pop your keypad out and transfer it to another drive. And you can go through the same process. We'll go to Menu, Backups, and instead of going to Create Backup, we can select which backup file we'd like to upload onto the drive. So in this case, we'll select one, and it's going to have to be in local control. So let's hit the local remote button. And then we're going to scroll down and click Restore All Parameters. Make sure the drive is stopped before restoring all the parameters. This process can take up to a minute. And this is how you do a parameter backup and restore. If you have any questions, please visit our website or give us a call.